Wondering how to get rid of hiccups instantly? Well, let me share some quick tips and hacks that'll have you hiccup-free in no time. 1. Hold your breath and count to 10. Don't pass out though. 2. Drink water upside down. Yes, you heard that right. Just give it a try. 3. Tickle the roof of your mouth with a cotton swab. Sounds weird, but it works. 4. Eat a spoonful of peanut butter. Yum and effective. 5. Squeeze your nose and swallow. Feels funny, but worth it. Try these out and say goodbye to those annoying hiccups. Got any other tricks? Drop them in the comments below. #HiccupHacks, quick tips, life hacks.